Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to do the review of Noise Vibe 5 watt speaker. So I got the speaker from Amazon for the price of 1300 rupees, and in this video let's see whether this speaker is worth it or not. And there is a small surprise at the end of the video. So before we get started with the review, I would ask you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Dude Varun, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further notifications. And let's get started. So finally, Noise launches its first ever Bluetooth speaker in the market, the Noise Vibe. It's a 5 watt speaker and it sounds really amazing. So let me take you around the box and show you what all features it offers. So in the front, as you can see, it says Noise Vibe 5 watts. It comes in 4 colors: gray, olive green, black and rose beige, which is this one. On this side, the hashtag is music every day. And at the back, you've got some more features. So the color is rose beige, 5 watt sound output, 9-hour playtime, TWS support, that means you can connect 2 of these speakers together, and it's IPX7 waterproof speaker. And you got some more information over here. And on this side, it only says noise. So let me unbox the speaker for you and I'll be back with its contents. Yes guys, I'm back with the contents. So here's the main speaker unit. You get a user manual, you get a warranty card, you get an auxiliary cable, and you get a cable for charging. And that's about it. So let me keep these things aside and let's bring in the speaker. So here is Noise Vibe 5 watt speaker. This is the best color I've ever seen on a Bluetooth speaker. It looks really amazing and it touches your heart. And the design of the speaker is also new and fresh. So in the front, as you can see, the whole speaker is covered with this waterproof fabric mesh, which is nice and shiny. In the front, you've got the Noise logo over here. On the top, you've got the power button, play pause, minus volume, plus volume, a mic for taking calls, and a blue LED in the middle. At the back, you've got the Noise logo over here. You've got the carry strap over here. And behind this flap, which is, by the way, very easy to open, you have a TF card input, you've got an auxiliary input, and you've got a micro USB port for charging. And that's about it. But do close this flap properly because it is an IPX7 water rated speaker. So this is completely waterproof. So now comes battery life and sound quality. So the battery size on the speaker is about 1800 mAh. It takes about 3 hours to completely charge, and the playtime that I got was 7 hours at 100% volume. The company claims you can play it for 9 hours at 70% volume, but at 7 hours playing at 100% volume, that's really amazing. Now the sound quality. You've got a 5 watt speaker in the front and you've got a passive bass radiator over here. So let's play some music and you decide whether this Noise Vibe is for you or not. So here we go with the music. Yes, you must have heard me saying the sound quality is really amazing. But to be really honest, yes, this speaker sounds really amazing. It's a 5 watt speaker. You can't expect much from it, but the sound that is pumped out by the speaker is very, very good. Why? Because first, the design, second, the battery life, and the third is the quality of sound that is pumped out by the speaker. There is no distortion at 100% volume, and the treble and the bass is just amazing. And don't mind me saying that this is one of the best 5-watt speaker till date. So the surprise that I was talking about earlier in the video was I will be giving away this speaker once this video hits 2000 views. Once it does, one of you lucky subscribers will be the winner of the Noise Vibe 5-watt speaker. So go ahead, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll be choosing one of the best comments from it. So I hope you like this video, and if you want to win this speaker, do subscribe to Tech Dude Varun and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you next time in another video. You take care of yourself, God bless, and be safe.